What's the benefit of co-sponsoring? You're going to get instant credibility. You become a syndicator, a fund manager in a $100 million fund. That's what we've done through the years. Dial into a process that works. My money, my system, my connections, my experience. Already done it. Get under the exemption rules of the SEC. You'll be on Form D. Be on the cutting edge of where the real estate business is going. This is the future is in grouping people together. This is what's happening. Look, the big funds went into North Dallas. I used to have students flipping properties in North Dallas. Like within 90 days, all these students said there are no more deals because the big funds are coming. They pool money together and they go in. Focus on building relationships and raising capital. Many of you already know some people, but you don't have the structure to attract them. You don't have something to offer them to bring them in your world.